guys, so I am going to be reviewing keracare Curl Essence line. Okay, now I really like this line because it is specifically made for type 3 to 4, and it is made with black castor oil. Okay, every company is out here making all of their line collections out of coconut oil, and hilariously enough, in the type 4 community, coconut oil really doesn't work. So essentially, a lot of these lines just don't work. However, the fact that they added black castor oil makes this product sink in, and I'm really going to show you with these juicy twists. Now, they're not mini twists. These are twists that anyone can get in under, I would say, 45 minutes to an hour. And the fact that these products soak into your hair, girl, this is the bee's knees. Now, this video is sponsored, and I greatly appreciate it because I would have never came across keracare if they hadn't reached out to me. Okay, now they right up there. They right up there with my other heavy hitter curl mix. So really, this line is coming through. Let me show you. Okay, let's go. And I shall be showing you on greasy, disgusting hair. All of that shine that you see in my hairline is literally from Got To Be Glue, okay? Y'all know how I wear my high poofs. Have a video, I'll link it above. But I re-moisturize and use Got To Be Glue like every other day, okay? It's kind of crazy. But I just wet up my hair so I can get started showing you guys this co-washing conditioner. And as you can see, that Got To Be Glue is still stuck in my hairline, okay? So that's the consistency of the co-wash, and this is what the bottle looks like. It literally says for natural hair types 3 through 4. Okay, I'm 4, so it's lit. All right, now it has Jamaican black castor oil in it along with coconut oil. So I really want you guys to see how this actually melts into the hair. Like, okay, really look at the hairline and you'll see that the co-wash is getting stuck in the Got To Be Glue. Okay, because we all know Got To Be Glue when it's on your hair doesn't wash out the easiest. Okay, and this is only a cleansing co-wash. And boy, if you look at the rest of my hair, it's pretty much soaking in besides where the Got To Be Glue is. And I'm really impressed. Okay, I really am, because I am low porosity, and usually my entire head will be white. Usually, if I have Got To Be Glue in my hair, nothing is going to soak in. That conditioner is literally going to sit on top of that Got To Be Glue. Like, I should be using shampoo. But this co-wash was actually strong enough to handle the Got To Be Glue and to actually soften it up. So I'm a little surprised. Like, look at the bottom of my hair. Oh, well, actually, you can't look at it now. But anyways, here I just rinsed it out and I'm getting ready to section off my hair so we can start to style. Okay, now I'm just placing a middle part. Now this is just twist. Okay, one thing I love about hairstyles is, especially when I do the tutorial, is I really want you to get creative with what your hair calls for, because every little head is different. Now for me, you guys know my hair is pretty much trained and used to being parted in the middle. I really wish I wouldn't have used a wide tooth comb and I would have used a a rat tail comb, but hey, I digress. But if it's easier for you to part your hair in a different direction, do that. Try it out, see what happens, be an innovator, you know what I mean? But as far as my video, I am going to go ahead and braid up these sections just so I can be very organized and I can, I don't know, apply this product as easy as possible. Okay, because I'm about to show you guys a new way that I apply my product. So listen up, or sit back, enjoy these tunes, okay? And I'll get right back with you. So I did one section off camera for you guys. It's over here, so you can basically kind of see where I'm going with my creative direction. Okay, looky, nice and juicy. Now I'm going to show you how I place the product in, like we were talking about. Okay, new method. I now moisturize my hair, or at least apply the styling product in these massive sections. Okay, so I'm going to be taking their moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Okay, skip the cocktail real quick, and use their curling jelly, and then I will seal everything with the oil cocktail. Okay, I don't really know why I filmed the product section this way, but I'm going to be using all three. You can use whatever combination you want, but that is the combination I'm going to use in order to get my juicy twist on camera. Okay, so that is the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be placing that first in this massive section. Okay, now this leave-in conditioner, kind of low, I'm not gonna say low key, kinda, because no leave-in conditioner has ever blown me away. It is like, I haven't even come close to one leave-in conditioner that I actually like. Okay, this is the only leave-in conditioner I have ever liked. All right, like I'm kind of nervous. I feel like we're in a relationship now, and I've been hurt before in the past, and like I don't know if it's gonna stop working in the future, but this was pretty daggone good. And the cool thing about it is, if you use it with the co-wash conditioner, they're actually set up to where the leave-in conditioner is what seals your cuticles. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's why it works so well, because I literally use the co-wash and the leave-in conditioner together. Maybe if I use it with something else, it won't work. I haven't tried that, because I also love the co-wash as well, so I've just been using them together. I'll have to give you like some updates later on, but I don't know. What are you looking for? What? Why do you always get on? Oh, okay, you found it. I'm sorry. I'm being a little over dramatic. My bad. You know how voiceovers get me, okay? I feel like I'm running out of time. Anyways, I went ahead and split that section into two, because I'm going to be like applying the curling jelly and the oil now. And so when it comes to the curling jelly, I kind of want to make sure I get as much hold as possible. So that's why I decided to split the section and then add in the curling jelly. And then as far as the oil, I love to apply lots and lots of oil. Like, I'm to the point where I can't even like really place my head on walls, because I will literally leave like a little patch of oil. Like, does that happen to any other naturals? Like you can't really lean on a wall with your hair. Has like a dude or anyone, significant other, ever touched your hair and be like, oh, it's so greasy? That's starting to happen to me. Okay, maybe I need to, hold back on the oils. But I really like this oil as well, so YOLO. Now I'm just going to be splitting this into two. That way I can go ahead and get to twisting. And that is basically how I do my braids, how I do any type of parting that needs to be done. I always follow that same method just because it's easiest for me. I highly suggest switching it up though. That way, wherever your hair breaks off, like, you can kind of switch it up. You know what I mean? Terrible advice. But try not to break your hair off, okay? Let's just leave it at that, and let's not try to finesse the natural hair game. Just try not to break your hair off. Simple. Now, I did want to show you the front of my hair. The only reason I really showed you the back was because you guys like to see the back. But the front of my hair, that is where I shine and excel. I really want you to see how this stuff melts into my hair. And I really feel like the front is where it's at. Okay, you can see just how juicy it's making my hair. Mind you, if you have been following my videos for quite some time, I no longer do my hair completely wet, okay? Like, I dry my hair before I apply any product. Like, seriously dry my hair. So that juiciness that you see is not from water. That juiciness you see is actually from the products, okay? I really want to make that clear, because I was a little bit impressed myself. I've really been nervous to not do my hair wet, even though I know that I'm not even supposed to be doing my hair wet. It's just something that naturals have kind of got stuck doing. It still feels wrong. Like, I don't know why, it just feels like I'm doing something wrong. However, it is the most healthiest thing I've been doing to my hair in like a really long time, because it allows me to rely on the product to moisturize my hair, the product to melt into my hair and make my hair soft, okay? So if you're coarse, you really need to be doing your hair dry. That way you can see what products are actually melting in your hair. Because when your hair is sopping wet, it's going to be soft from the water no matter what product you put into it, okay? So it's best to do it dry. That way you know if you're really getting, you know, any moisturization from these products. Like, look at those twists. Dry, girl, dry. And yeah, looking so drippy juicy, okay? I'm really, while y'all think I'm playing, I'm really about to flame y'all in this next clip, okay? But I'm gonna let it build up some suspense, okay? I'm gonna let it build up some suspense. I really need to cut my ends. I'm telling y'all gonna mess around and catch this wave. Look at how juicy they are. Now, just to let you know, I'm doing this voiceover like a couple of days later, and they stayed that juicy for 2 days, okay? Now, I could have re-upped on moisturization, all that kind of stuff, but I was lazy and did not, so I'm not totally sure if it lasts for 3 or 4. But my scalp, everything does not feel itchy. This is like the 4th day later, I believe. I think everything is still beautiful. Oh, girl. Okay, let's get into this outro. Dang, I'm impressed. Alright guys, so that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you like keracare, just because I don't come across many brands that even melt into low porosity hair. Y'all can see for yourselves, the product melted in your girl's hair. Like, this isn't a day later, okay? I know, right? Crazy. This, Bear, don't touch my keracare, okay? Don't touch it. This isn't a day later. This is like an hour later. Like, I'm filming all of this within the same day. I'm so impressed that it soaks in so quickly. Come on, coming through for the low porosity type 4 coarse people. Really appreciate you. Go ahead, click that subscribe button. I'm gonna have some pictures, some more in-depth pictures of this style, even what I'm wearing, all that kind of stuff, on my Instagram at CHAZZZ-A-LATTE. So go into the description box, look for the keracare links, check them out. Like, the curling jelly is definitely my favorite, and the oil. The co-wash, it even got that got to be glue out of my hair on the first wash. So that co-wash I really enjoy as well. I want to try out some other products from them. Like, this was lit. I'm feeling this. But alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Peace out.